Bullet journaling for ADHD. Do you ever feel like your ADHD symptoms are getting in the way of managing life effectively? Writing and bullet journaling are extremely helpful tools to help you manage your life. Key takeaways: bullet journaling is a powerful tool for individuals with ADHD to overcome challenges such as organization, time management difficulties, memory, focus struggles, and overwhelm and anxiety. Creating an ADHD-friendly bullet journal involves simplifying the system, utilizing color coding and symbols, setting realistic goals and expectations, and regularly reviewing and adapting the journal. The benefits of bullet journaling for ADHD include providing structure and organization, breaking tasks into manageable steps, tracking habits and routines, visually representing progress, boosting focus, and reducing anxiety. Understanding ADHD challenges: individuals with ADHD often face challenges in organization, time management, memory, and focus. They may also feel overwhelmed and anxious as they navigate their daily tasks and responsibilities. Organization and time management difficulties. Living with ADHD often means grappling with daily battles against time management and organization. Juggling multiple tasks simultaneously becomes a significant challenge, causing stress and sometimes leading to missed deadlines or forgotten responsibilities. These difficulties are rooted in the unique functionality of an ADHD brain, which works differently compared to most people's brains. Also, an inability to effectively manage time, known as time blindness, can make everyday processes feel chaotic and overwhelming for individuals with ADHD. Memory and focus. Struggles: living with ADHD often means battling memory and focus struggles. These challenges often manifest as forgetfulness or losing things regularly, leading to daily life disruptions. Misplacing items, forgetting appointments, or falling behind on everyday tasks becomes a common experience. The bullet journal method throws a lifeline to tackle these issues head-on. This tool is designed specially to boost your focus and serve as an external memory aid. With a personal bullet journal, it is easier to track important dates, manage symptoms of ADHD like time blindness, and stay focused on prioritized tasks without feeling overwhelmed. Overwhelmed and anxious: living with ADHD often means dealing with a constant sense of being overwhelmed. Tasks pile up, and soon it feels like you're buried under a mountain of chores or assignments. This can lead to intense feelings of anxiety, magnifying the difficulties in managing daily life. A bullet journal for ADHD comes into play here as more than just an organization tool. The act of writing down tasks gives your brain permission to let go, freeing up valuable mental resources that can be better used elsewhere. Color-coding tasks help identify priorities at a glance, which reduces decision-making fatigue and fosters focus on what's truly important. When I see red in my journal, I know it's something important. Through these methods, the bullet journal system soothes overwhelm and tackles anxiety, paving the way for improved mental health. Benefits of bullet journaling. For ADHD, bullet journaling provides structure and organization for individuals with ADHD, helping them overcome challenges such as organization and time management difficulties, memory and focus struggles, and overwhelm and anxiety. It breaks tasks into manageable steps, tracks habits and routines, visually represents progress, boosts focus, and reduces anxiety. Providing structure and organization. By creating an individualized system that suits your unique needs, you can effectively manage the chaos often experienced with ADHD. The bullet journal method allows you to create different spreads and layouts to keep track of important tasks, appointments, and goals. With numbered pages and an index, it's easy to find exactly what you need when you need it. This level of organization helps reduce overwhelm and provides clarity in daily life. For someone with ADHD, having a structured tool like a bullet journal can significantly improve executive functioning skills and help manage symptoms more effectively. Breaking tasks into manageable steps. Breaking tasks into manageable steps is a crucial aspect of bullet journaling for individuals with ADHD. By breaking down tasks, it helps to reduce cognitive burdens and make them more achievable. The bullet journal method provides a visual and tangible way for individuals with ADHD to break down their tasks and manage their time effectively. Breaking tasks into manageable steps acts as a helpful tool in organizing thoughts and actions, making it easier for individuals with ADHD to navigate through everyday challenges. Tracking habits and routines. Tracking habits and routines is a key aspect of using a bullet journal for ADHD. The habit trackers and daily logs in the bullet journal system provide a visual representation of your progress, helping you stay on track, accountable, and motivated. By consistently tracking your habits, such as taking medication or completing certain tasks, you can develop consistent routines that are often challenging for individuals with ADHD. This can greatly improve your ability to manage daily life and accomplish important tasks while reducing stress. Visual representation of progress. People with ADHD tend to deal with something that we like to call out of sight, out of mind. This is why people with ADHD often forget things that aren't right in front of their faces or not currently on their minds. Bullet journaling provides an in-your-face visual representation. The tasks of the day are hard to forget when you have a routine of checking your bullet journal and seeing your to-do lists. The act of filling in check marks or coloring in boxes will give you a sense of accomplishment that motivates me to keep going. Boosting focus and reducing anxiety. Bullet journaling has proven to be a powerful tool for boosting focus and reducing anxiety for individuals with ADHD. By providing structure and organization, bullet journals help to alleviate the cognitive burden and mental chaos that often accompany ADHD. Breaking tasks into manageable steps and tracking habits and routines allows for greater clarity and a sense of progress. The act of physically writing in a bullet journal can have a calming effect on the mind, helping to soothe anxiety. Tips for creating an ADHD-friendly bullet journal. Simplify the system. Simplifying the bullet journal system can make it more accessible and manageable for individuals with ADHD. Here are some tips to simplify your ADHD-friendly bullet journal. Use a basic layout. Start with a straightforward weekly spread or daily log format that includes only essential information. Keep the design clean and uncluttered. Stick to a minimal color scheme. Limit the number of colors you use in your bullet journal to avoid being overwhelmed. Choose 2 or 3 colors that are easy on the eyes and use them consistently throughout. Opt for simple symbols. Instead of using complex icons or symbols, keep it simple by using basic symbols that are easy to recognize and understand. For example, a dot for tasks, a circle for events, and an arrow for notes. Avoid excessive decorations. While adding decorative elements like washi tape or doodles can be fun, they can also become time-consuming and distracting. Stick to minimal decorations that enhance functionality rather than overwhelm. Don't overcomplicate trackers. When creating habit trackers or mood trackers, focus on the most important habits or moods you want to track rather than trying to include everything at once. Keep it simple and prioritize what matters most to you. Use pre-made templates. If designing spreads from scratch feels overwhelming, consider using pre-made templates available online or in bullet journaling books. These templates provide structure while still allowing for personalization. Utilize color coding and symbols. Color coding and symbols can be incredibly helpful when creating a bullet journal for ADHD. They provide visual cues and organization, making it easier to navigate and understand your journal. Here are some tips for utilizing color coding and symbols in your bullet journal. Assign different colors to specific categories or tasks. For example, use blue for work-related items, green for personal goals, and red for important deadlines. Use symbols to represent different types of tasks or events. For instance, use a star to indicate high-priority tasks, an exclamation mark for urgent matters, or a smiley face for self-care activities. Create a key or legend at the beginning of your journal to remind yourself what each color and symbol represents. Consistently apply the same colors and symbols throughout your journal to maintain consistency and easily recognize patterns. Experiment with different color combinations and symbols until you find a system that works best for you. Set realistic goals and expectation setting. Realistic goals also prevents frustration and disappointment, as I know that I'm working towards achievable outcomes. It's important to remember that everyone's journey with ADHD is different, so setting goals tailored to my own needs helps me make the most out of my bullet journal experience. Regularly review and adapt your journal. Regularly reviewing and adapting your journal is crucial for managing ADHD effectively. By taking the time to review your journal on a regular basis, you can ensure that it remains tailored to your current needs and helps you stay organized. Make adjustments as needed to simplify or enhance your system based on what works best for you. Whether it's adding new sections or removing ones that no longer serve you, keeping your bullet journal flexible and adaptable will help maintain its effectiveness in managing your daily tasks and responsibilities. Incorporate mindfulness and self-care. Incorporating mindfulness and self-care practices in your ADHD-friendly bullet journal each week can be incredibly beneficial. By setting aside time each week to focus on self-care activities like meditation, deep breathing exercises, or engaging in hobbies you enjoy, you will reduce stress and improve your overall well-being. Overcoming common hurdles. In bullet journaling for ADHD 2, overcome common hurdles in bullet journaling for ADHD. It's important to get started and let go of perfectionism. Find consistency by managing your time, writing more effectively, and establishing a routine for journaling. Overcome uncertainty by experimenting with different layouts and styles that work best for you. Incorporate creativity and decoration into your journal to make it more engaging and enjoyable. Getting started and overcoming perfectionism. Starting a bullet journal can feel overwhelming, especially if you're prone to perfectionism. But remember, the key is progress, not perfection. To get started, simply grab a blank notebook and a pen that feels comfortable in your hand. Don't worry about making mistakes or creating the perfect layout right away. Start with basic spreads like a daily spread, future log, and monthly log to jot down important dates and tasks. Use page numbers to keep track of your entries easily. Remember, your bullet journal is for you and no one else, so don't compare it to others. Embrace imperfections as part of the creative process and allow yourself room for experimentation along the way. Managing time and finding consistency. Managing your time and staying consistent can be a real struggle with dealing with ADHD. Here are some tips on how bullet journaling can help you manage your time and find consistency. Break tasks into manageable steps. Instead of overwhelming yourself with a long to-do list, break down your tasks into smaller, more achievable steps. This way, you can tackle one thing at a time and feel a sense of progress. Prioritize important tasks. Use your bullet journal to prioritize your tasks by assigning them different levels of importance or urgency. This will help you focus on what needs to be done first and prevent you from getting overwhelmed. Utilize daily logs. Write down your daily tasks in your bullet journal's daily log. This will serve as a visual reminder of what needs to be accomplished each day and help keep you on track. Create routines and habits. Incorporate regular routines and habits into your bullet journal to establish consistency in your day-to-day life. Whether it's a morning routine, exercise schedule, or bedtime ritual, having these routines written down can help you stay consistent. Set realistic goals. When planning out your days or weeks in your bullet journal, make sure to set realistic goals for yourself. It's important not to overload your schedule and allow for flexibility when needed. Review and adapt regularly. Take the time to review and reflect on your bullet journal regularly. Assess what is working for you and what isn't, then make necessary adjustments to improve its effectiveness in helping you manage time and find consistency. Overcoming uncertainty in journaling. One helpful approach is to start small and keep it simple. Begin by focusing on just a few basic spreads that will meet your immediate needs. As you gain more experience and confidence, you can gradually add new layouts and pages. Another tip is to give yourself permission to experiment and make mistakes along the way. Remember, there's no right or wrong way to bullet journal. It's all about finding what works best for you. Incorporating creativity and decoration, a neurotypical brain produces enough dopamine to help those without ADHD stay interested and focused. So those with ADHD have to find ways to produce dopamine through special interest. To stay involved with bullet journaling, those with ADHD must incorporate things that they find appealing. This can be found in decorations, the type of bullet journal you purchase, or the supplies you use. Incorporating creativity and decoration in your bullet journal can be a game changer for managing ADHD. Using different colors, stickers, and drawings can make your journal visually appealing and engaging. It adds a fun element to the process of tracking tasks and goals. Journaling with prompts can also spark creativity and self-reflection, which is particularly helpful for individuals with ADHD. Conclusion bullet journaling can be a valuable tool for individuals with ADHD. It provides structure, breaks tasks into manageable steps, and helps manage symptoms such as organization and time management difficulties. By incorporating the bullet journal system into their daily lives, individuals with ADHD can improve focus, reduce stress, and achieve greater productivity. Start your own bullet journal today and experience the benefits firsthand. Has bullet journaling helped you deal with your ADHD symptoms? If so, please leave a comment below so you can share it with the community. Have any bullet journal questions and how it can help with your ADHD? Leave a comment below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the new videos. I will keep on publishing bullet journaling and how it helps with mental wellness issues videos. If you have any requests, please leave them in the comments.